How to use DoNotPay legal billing automation properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. DoNotPay can automate legal billing, but beginners often make mistakes that cost time, revenue, and compliance. The first mistake is incorrect setup of billing rules. Many users assume default settings work for all cases, but rates, billing cycles, and discounts vary by client or matter. Customize your billing rules carefully for each scenario. Another common error is failing to track billable hours accurately. DoNotPay relies on input from your team or integrated tools. Inaccurate data leads to underbilling or disputes with clients. Encourage precise time tracking and review entries regularly. Many users overlook client-specific agreements. Contracts may specify hourly rates, flat fees, or retainer arrangements. Ignoring these details can lead to billing errors or unhappy clients. Always align automation settings with existing agreements. Neglecting to review invoices before sending is another pitfall. Automation saves time, but double-check totals, taxes, and line items to prevent mistakes that can affect trust and cash flow. Finally, some assume DoNotPay replaces accounting entirely. Automated billing should integrate with bookkeeping, tax reporting, and compliance procedures. Use the tool as part of a broader financial workflow. To use DoNotPay legal billing automation properly, set up customized billing rules, track hours accurately, align with client agreements, review invoices, and integrate with accounting processes. Avoid these mistakes, and you'll save time, reduce errors, and maintain professional trust with your clients.